Welcome to math class. Okay. In everywhere, in every house, you are observed. If you observed a clock, in the clock you observe these type of numbers. These type of numbers. First, you see this. How many numbers you count first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. It is these numbers are different from our Hindu Arabic system. Okay. Today we will discuss about these type of numbers. Okay. Today we will discuss about these type of numbers. Okay. These type of numbers are called Roman numerals. Roman numbers. These type of numbers are called Roman numbers. These type of numbers are called Roman numbers. Means these type of numbers are used in Roman civilization. That is the reason they got these type of name. Present in nowadays we are using these numbers in rare cases. But we will see what is the use of this, how to write the numbers, which symbols we are using. You observe this. Here numbers are represented with English alphabets. Here numbers are represented with English alphabets. You observe in this I, V, X. You are observing 3 letters. I, V, X. Okay. Instead of this, we have some more letters. Okay. Each letter having some number, each letter having some meaning, and some rules are so there. We will see one by one. In Roman numerals, first can start with I. Means it represents 1. It represents 1. One more symbol, that is V, that represents 5. One more symbol X, that is 10. Okay. Next L, 50. C, 100. D, 500. M, 1000. How many symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have only 7 symbols. Okay. By using these 7 symbols, we are able to write different numbers. A combination of these letters. Okay. First, what is the first symbol? I. It represents 1. V, 5. X, 10. L, 50. C, century, 100. D, 500. M, million, 1000. Okay. Before writing the numbers by using these symbols, we have some rules. We have to study that. We have to know the rules of this. How to write the numbers by using these 7 symbols. Okay. Now, here you observe this. One symbol is missing. 0 is not available in this. 0 is not available. In Roman numerals, we don't have any notation for 0. We don't have any notation for 0. Okay. Here we have 3 rules. Rule number 1. Rule of repetition. Rule of repetition. Rule of repetition. Rule of repetition. In that only it is there. Repetition means repeated. Okay. You see. Suppose if you want to write 2, we can write I 2 times. 3 I's. 4. How to write that 4? 1. Is it right? No. The symbols which are repeating, that cannot be repeat more than 3 times. That cannot be repeat more than 3 times. It repeats up to 3 times only. Maximum each symbol repeats only up to 3 times. Okay. But how to write the 4? You see. How to write the 4? You can write 4 means we can write 5 minus 1. In Hindu Arabic system, 4 can be written as 5 minus 1. What is the 5 symbol? V. Minus 1. Minus 1 means we can write left side of the symbol. Left side of the big symbol. What is the big larger symbol here? V. I. V. If you write, if the symbol exists left side of the larger symbol, means if the smaller symbol exists the left side of the larger symbol, that can be subtracted. Okay, this will be studied in the next rule. Rule of repetition. What is the first condition? It repeats only maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times. Maximum 3 times. Okay. Suppose you want to write 7. You want to write 7. Suppose class 7. How to write in Roman numerals? You see. 7 means 5 plus 2. 5 means V. 2 means I. If a smaller symbol exists right side of the larger symbol, it should be added. It should be added. Okay. Now rule of repetition. How to write the 10? How to write the 10? We can write 10 as VV, 5 plus 5. No, we can't write like this. We have one more symbol for 10, that is X. That is X. Means here V cannot be repeated. V cannot be repeated. Like this, we have 2 more symbols that are not repeat. That is V, L also. L, D, R never repeats. Never repeats. Never repeats. Okay. Never repeats. V, L, D, R never repeats. V, L, D, R never repeats. You see, if you want to write 100, we can write L. L is repeating. No, we have one more symbol for 100, that is C. That is the reason L is also not repeating. Okay. Next 500. D. Suppose we want to write 1000. We can write 500 plus 500. D. No. For 1000 one more symbol is available, that is M. That is the reason these 3 symbols are never repeating. Okay. V, L, D are never repeating. These 2 points are very, very important from rule number 1. Maximum each symbol repeats up to 3 times only, and V, L, D are never repeats. The reason is here. V means one more symbol is available. L means one more symbol is available. D means one more symbol is available. That is the reason these 3 symbols are never repeats. Next, second rule, rule of addition. Rule of addition. We already discussed that. What is that? I. It is repeating 2 times. It can be added. Means 1 plus 1. That is 2. Okay. If it is I repeating 3 times, 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3. Okay. Next. X. How much it is? 10 plus 10. That is 10 plus 10. That is 20. Okay. Next. L cannot be repeated. C can be repeated. C 100 plus 100. That is 200. D cannot be repeated. M can be repeated. M that is 1000 plus 1000. That is 2000. Okay. Next, combination of with different symbols. Combination with different symbols. VI combinations. VI. If you write VI, here larger symbol is V, smaller symbol is I. Okay. If smaller symbol is present at right side of the larger symbol, it should be added to the larger symbol. If the smaller symbol is available at the right side of larger symbol, it should be added to the larger symbol. Means V means 5, I is 1, that is 6. Okay. Next, one more combination, XV. XV. Now, larger symbol, smaller symbol. Smaller symbol is right side of the larger symbol. It should be added. 10 plus 5, that is 15. Okay. Next, one more combination, LX. LX. L is 50, X is 10. 50 plus 10, that is 60. The larger if the smaller symbol is available at right side of the larger symbol, it is right side, here left side. Okay. If it is like this, it can be added. What is one more combination you say? One more combination. MD. MD. M is what? 1000. And D is what? 500. Total it is 1000 plus 500, that is 1500. Okay. Like this, if the smaller symbol is available, at right side of the larger symbol, it should be added. Somewhat different combinations. If same symbols are repeating, you can add. Otherwise, like this. Okay. Different combinations. We have one more rule of subtraction. This is very important compared to the last two rules. Okay. Okay. We have to remember some more conditions here. Next, I will give one example. If you want to write 4, we cannot write 4 i's continuously. This is wrong. Means why it is wrong? From rule number 1, every symbol repeats maximum up to 3 times. Here repeating 4 times means it is wrong. But how to write 4? We can write 5 minus 1. That is, can write the smaller symbol left side of the larger symbol. IV. Okay. Suppose if you want to write 9, we can write 10 minus 1. Here the 10 is the larger, 1 is smaller. We can write smaller symbol left side of the larger symbol. What is the larger symbol? 10. 10 symbol X, we can write I. Okay. It is what? 9. Suppose if you want to write 11, 10 plus 1. Here adding. Means smaller symbol should be right side of the larger symbol. What is the larger symbol? X. Right side of the larger symbol I. That is the difference between 9 and 11. Okay. Here some more conditions. Here. Suppose if you want to write 95. How to write this? Simply you will write 100 minus 5. Here what is the larger symbol? 100. What is the smaller symbol? 5. Means the smaller symbol should be left side of the larger symbol. What is the 5 symbol? V. Larger symbol? 100. That symbol is C. But it is okay. But it is wrong. Okay. It is wrong notation because V cannot be subtracted from any Roman numeral. V cannot be subtracted from any Roman numeral. V cannot be subtracted from any number. V cannot be subtracted from any number. But how to write 95? 95. Okay, you see 95 means we can write 50 plus 45. 50 plus 45. Now 50 plus 40. 45 means how to write 45? 50 minus, how to write 45? 50 minus 5. 50 minus 5. Otherwise, you can write 40 plus 5. 40 plus 5. How to write 50? L. How to write 40? How to write 40? 40 x l x l x l plus f5 v. Okay, means l x l v. Okay, 50 45 95 means l x l v. This is what 95. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, don't write here v and c, that is wrong. V cannot be subtracted from any number. Next, one more important condition in this rule of subtraction only. 49. How to write 49? Simply you will say 50 minus 1. A larger symbol is 50, that is L. Can subtract 1 means you will write I, left side of the larger symbol, IL. This is also wrong. I can be subtracted only from V and X. I can be subtracted only from V and X. I can be subtracted only from V and X. But how to write 49 now? 49 is equal to 40 plus 9. 40. Already you know 40. 40 means XL. XL. Plus 9 also you know XI. Can write combined XLIX. This is what? 49. Okay. I can be subtracted only from V and X. This is very, very, very important condition. Okay. Next, one more important point. Suppose if you want to write 450 in Roman numerals, 450 can write 500 minus 50. 500 minus 50. What is the symbol of 500? D. Smaller symbol of, compared to 550 is the small. What is the symbol of 50? L. LD. It is also wrong notation in Roman numerals. L also cannot be subtracted. L also cannot be subtracted from any number. Okay. L also cannot be subtracted. But how to write 450? 400 plus 50. How to write 400? How to write 400? 400 means we can write 500 minus 100 plus 50. You can write 50 as it is. 500 symbol is D. 100 symbol you can write left side of this C. And 50 symbol L. Okay, 450 symbol is this C, D, L. Okay, next. Like this, V, L, D. V, L, D. Never subtracted. Never subtracted. And previously we discussed I can be subtracted. Okay, I can be subtracted only from V and X. As final conclusion about subtraction rule, we have only 6 types of subtractions are possible in Roman numerals. First one is IV, that is 4, IX 9, next XL 50 minus 10, that is 40, XC, that is C minus 100 minus 10, 90. Here CD, D is 500, C is 100, 500 minus 100, it is 400. CM, M is 1000, M is 1000, C is 100, that is 900. Okay. Next, I will give which are not possible also, some examples I will give. C is 100, I is 99. This is not possible. IC is not possible. Like this, IL, this is also not possible. Next, ID, this is also not possible. Next, IM, not possible. IM also not possible. Next, with V, VX, V cannot be subtracted. It is not possible. VL, no. VC, no. VD, not possible. VM, not possible. V cannot be subtracted. Okay. Next, L. L also cannot be subtracted. LC, not possible. LD, not possible. LM, not possible. And finally, D also not possible. D also cannot be subtracted. Means we cannot write DM. We cannot write DM. This is also not possible. This is some rules and rules for writing Roman numerals. This is very, very important. Okay. If you want to listen more classes, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. We'll upload daily one video regarding mathematics. Okay. Thank you for listening my class.